Oftentimes we want our students, as teachers, we want our students to engage in group activity on Google Classroom. During this pandemic, we are limited, but I found an interesting way to allow students to, you know, be in groups on Google Classroom. And at the same time, you are able to monitor what they are doing, you are able to see what they are sharing on their screens, and so on. So, in this video, I'll be sharing how to create groups, different groups on Google Classroom. So, the first thing that you're going to do is to go to Google, right? And then you're going to click on Add Breakout Group Extension. When you do that, you will see this coming up. Click on this option. All right, so basically what you want to do is to add the extension to your Chrome. So here you're seeing remove from Chrome extension. The reason why you're seeing that is because I already have it on my extension, but what you should see is to add to Chrome extension or add as Chrome extension. All right, so once you've done that, you will be seeing this B coming up on your thumbnail. So if you're not seeing it, you may click on this icon and look for it and just click on it. Now, when you have done that, in order to get into breakout room, you need to click on the icon from your thumbnail. When you have done that, you are going to see this page coming up. Now, here, the first thing you want to do is to check that this email address is actually the email address that you want to be set up this um, this particular app. So if this is not the email address that you want, then you will have to click on it and follow the instructions here to change it. All right. Now the next thing that you would do is to click on courses. Now I have a number of courses already because I teach um, 4, 5, 6 different groups. All right, so I have not created grade 11 as yet, so that is what I will be doing now. Create grade 11. So in order to create a course, you're gonna click on the plus sign here, and then you're gonna type in the name of the course, grade 11, right? So that is the course. Then you're gonna save it, clicking on the blue icon. So once it's saved, you can go back to rooms, and then this was grade 10. So these are links that were already created for grade 10. So now we are going to grade 11. So grade 11 is not yet created. So now you want to generate links for the different groups that you want from your class or in your class. So you want to click on this blue icon to add them. All right, so I'm just adding 4 groups here, calling them group 1, groups 1 to 4. All right, so group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Now, in order to generate the links for them, you need to click on save, that blue button there. All right, so once you have done that, the links will come up. So you can go back to Meet, click on ensure that this says 4, the breakouts, 4 different groups. Then you're gonna click on pre-assign, assign breakouts, pre-assign. Now these are the links that you just generated. Now in order to copy these, you need to click here and they are copied. So now I'm going to go to my grade 11 group. I'm going to start a meet. Hopefully no one enters that meet. So I'm gonna start the meet just to show you what should be done. All right, so it's loading. So what you want to do is to give your students the instructions, the necessary instructions, tell them which group they are in, and let them know um, that they are to join the respective group. So in the chat, you're gonna just paste the group links and tell them to go to their respective groups. Now, before you do this, you need to actually start the meets. So we're going back to breakout rooms. All right. So you're gonna go to start class here, start class. Ensure that it's at grade 11 and it's 4 groups. All right. So you're gonna click on open breakouts. When you click on open breakouts, you'll be seeing 4 different groups coming up. Google Meets. So these groups are the groups that the students would be in, the respective groups that they would be in. Now it's loading, but just like how you would do operate, sorry, in the regular Google Classroom, this is how it works for each of these meets as well. So you're going to turn off your camera, turn off your whatever, and then you join the meet. All right. So it's getting ready. It's a bit slow. All right. So while that is coming up, let me just show you some other features about breakout rooms. Now here, you at the top here, you're seeing breakout rooms. Now the different groups that you created. When you scroll across or click on the arrow, you will see the different groups coming up. So if you want to talk to, for instance, group 1, you scroll across to group 1, and this green icon is for you to hear what they are saying. The mic is for them to hear what you are saying. So if you open up this green icon as well as this mic, they can hear what you're saying and you can hear what they are saying for the individual groups. Now this is the broadcast section, so you can open up this as well for them to hear what you are saying. No, sorry, for you to hear what they are saying and open up the mic so that they can hear what you are saying. All right, so if you have a general announcement for all the groups, this is where you go in order to allow them to make that announcement. All right, so let's go back to the different meets. It's not loaded as yet. So I hope you can see that group 1 coming up. Group 2, you're gonna see the names of the groups at the top here, right? So so basically when it comes up, it will look like the normal Google Meet. So you're gonna see, right, it's coming up now. All right, so you're gonna turn off the camera. Let me just show you with one of them. Alright, so it's not working properly now, unfortunately. But on each of these screens, you're gonna see the icon. Let me just go back to the breakout room. You're gonna see this green icon. You're gonna see the red one, this one. You're gonna see the video. So for each of them, you can open the speaker and open the mic. So you can talk to each group and you can hear what each group is saying. You can also see what they are doing on their screen. All right. So that is basically it for I will add a video showing um, how it is in my class when I videoed it. All right. So that is basically it for breakout rooms. It is quite flexible. I've tried it and it works. The only problem that I have is that sometimes when you're generating these links, it doesn't come up. Maybe because of internet connectivity. But what I do is to go back to the breakout room, delete what I have created and refresh the page and generate the links again. So add the group names and generate the links again. So if there are any questions, you can ask me. I still don't know everything about it because it's my first time using it, but I found that it's really a good thing to use for group work. So I wanted to share it with you. All right. So I am still checking if I'm leaving out any important information. All right. So I think that is basically it. All right. So yeah, that's basically it. So each of the meets will look like this, as I said. So turn this on if you want to hear what they're saying. Turn on your mic if you want them to hear. But if you have a general broadcast, go back to breakout rooms and go to this section and open your mic and speak. And you can also hear what everybody from all the different groups are saying if you also open the speaker. All right, I hope this video was helpful and I hope you will enjoy your classes using it. You can be creative with it, you can have quiz and so on. A lot of fun things to do. All right, so that's it.
Do you guys understand? The numbers that are not in
ID
M
is M
intersect N
intersect
number of
elements.
elements.
Well,
Not
take
in
off the
M
computer,
intersect
but
N.
this time.
So what's in M intersect N, right? Number is 159.
You have
What's not in
N
M intersect
complement.
N
You have the
is
intersection of
the other numbers that are not in
and
the
then
elements.
plus 3 and 7 is 5. We have
So
M
I think it's
union,
2,
but it says number of
three,
elements in set N
2, 3.
complement. So first, what is N
Two,
complement?
three. What else?
N complement is